In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to a Skool course. Whether you're a seasoned educator or just starting your journey in online teaching, this guide will take you through each step of the process clearly and efficiently, ensuring that your students benefit from a rich multimedia learning experience. First, you'll want to log into your Skool account. If you're already familiar with the platform, this should be as simple as entering your credentials on the homepage and clicking Log In. Once you're logged in, navigate to the community that you manage. Here, you'll see the Classroom tab prominently on the screen. This is your gateway to creating and managing courses within your Skool community. Next, you'll decide whether to open an existing course or start fresh by clicking on New Course. If you're updating an existing course, simply select it from your list. However, if you're creating something new, take a moment to input the necessary details about the course. Once inside the course, you'll open the specific lesson where you want to add the video. If you haven't yet created this lesson or page, you can do so now. For those working within an existing lesson, simply click on the pencil icon to edit. At this point, you are almost ready to add your video. Look for the Add Video option. This is where your content will come to life. There are two main options for adding a video to your lesson. Let's focus on the first option, uploading a video. To get started, you can drag and drop your video file directly into the upload area. It's a straightforward process, and you should see a highlighted section on the screen that accepts your file. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can click on the upload area, which will prompt a window to open, allowing you to browse your computer's files and select the video you wish to upload. Once your video is selected, take a moment to let the upload and processing finish. Depending on the size of your video file, this could take a few moments, so it's a great time to check any other tasks you might have. As the upload completes, you'll receive a notification that the processing is finished, and voila! Your video is now ready for your students to view. One of the added benefits of using Skool is that the platform automatically generates English captions for videos containing audio, which can significantly enhance accessibility and engagement for your students. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to enrich your Skool course with engaging video content. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide was helpful in making your online teaching more dynamic and interactive. Happy teaching!